Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to order from DHGate step by step. Perfect if you're a beginner. First, go to dhgate.com. Make sure you're signed in. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up at the top right and create one using Google, Facebook, or your email. Next, use the search bar at the top to find what you want. For example, let's search for a pair of shoes and click on one of the results. On the product page, pick the color and size you like. You can preview different variations by hovering over them. Then select how many pieces you want to buy. Scroll down and choose a shipping method. Cheaper options take longer, while the more expensive ones usually arrive faster. Select the one you prefer. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. You can keep shopping and add more items, or head to the cart in the top right corner. Inside your cart, double check the items. You can change sizes, remove products, or apply coupons before checkout. Click Get Coupon in checkout. Enter your shipping address and payment details. If you're using a new card, fill in the card number, expiry date, and billing address. Finally, hit Pay Now to confirm. If you have a promo code, enter it before clicking Pay. And that's it. Your order is placed. And that's how you order from DHGate as a beginner. If this was helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.